Now students, I am going to explain you two problems of question number 5 and rest of the problems you must try by yourself. What is question number 5? Exercise 6.3. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. It is given that you are supposed to find out that which number to be multiplied, smallest number to be multiplied to these numbers so that they can become a perfect square number, means these are not the perfect square number. So here we will apply the prime factorization method. According to the divisibility rule, ones place is 2. So start dividing by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 and 2 six are 12. Again it can divide by 2. Always we must try to divide only and only by the smallest prime number. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. Now it can't be divided by 2, so it will divide it by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Again by 3, 3 7s are 21 and 7 1s are 7. Okay. Now start writing the factors of 252. What are the two factors of prime factors of 252? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Start making the pair. We see that prime factor 7 is not in pair. What we will write? We see that prime factor 7 is not in pairs. So 252 is not a perfect square. So 252 is not a perfect square. In order to get a perfect square, it should be multiplied by 7. It should make a pair. It's only incomplete pair. So we will multiply 252 by 7. So in order to make 252 perfect square number, multiply by 7. Okay, by which number we will multiply? By 7. So 252 multiplied by 7. So now just multiply orally. 7 2s are 14, carry over 1. 7 5s are 35 plus 1 36, carry over 3. Okay, 7 2s are 14 plus 3 70. Now what are the factors of 1764? You can just find out by yourself again that whether it is a perfect square or not. 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Now it will go by 3. 3 1s are 3. Okay, 3 4s are 12, 3 7s are 14. Again by 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27 and 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. Okay, see, isn't it? So what are the factors of 1764, children? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, 7 multiplied by 7. Make the pair. So, and out of each pair we will take one number, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7, and hence square root of 1764. As we will take one number from each pair, here we are supposed to put the symbol of square root. So square root of 1764 is 42. Square root of 1764 is 42. This is the answer. So at the end, what answer you are going to write? That by which smallest number you should multiply? Smallest number is 7 and square root of 1764 is 42. Okay. Now let us take another example. 2028. Start making the factors of 2028. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 fours are again by 2, 2 fives are 10, 0 times 2 sevens are 14. Now it will go by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 six are 18, 3 nines are 27. Okay. Now by which number it will go, children? 169. Yes, it will go by 13. 13 13s are 169. You must learn the squares of at least first 25 numbers, so that in the division you should not find any problem. Okay. Now write down the factors of 2028. 2000. What are the factors of 2028? Children, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 13. Now what are the pairs? See, which is the incomplete pair? 3. So we see that 3 is prime factor, 3 is not in pair. So 2028 will be multiplied by 3. So we will multiply 2028 by 3. So 2028 multiplied by 3. Again orally you can do. 3 8s are 24. Carry over 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 2. 8. 3 zeros are 0. And 3 2s are 6. Okay. Now we will try to find the square root of 6084. Okay. So as usual we divide. It will go by 2 because one's place is 4. 2 3s are 6. 0 times 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Again by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Now it will go by 3. 3 5s are 15. 0 times 3 7s are 21. Again it will go by 3. 169 times. And now 169 is the square of 13. So it will be like this. So what are the factors of 6084? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 13. Make the pair. So square root of 6084 will be 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 13. Okay. From each and every pair you are going to take only one digit. Try to multiply orally. Is that clear? 2 3s are 6. 6 multiplied by 13. Is that clear? And 13 6 are 78. So square root of 6084 is 78. And you will write the answer as usual. Smallest number to be multiplied is 3 and square root of 6084 is 78. Thank you.